you think about a nice juicy steak, you're not thinking about cauliflower. Well, I'm here to show you a steak take today that will get even the most passionate meat lover saying, this is a great slab of vegetable. So I'm going to trim all the excess leaves off the cauliflower, but I don't want to trim the stem too much because you need it to hold the steak into place to keep it steak-like. I'm just going to trim about 1/4 to 1/2 inch off here, depending on how much is left. Cauliflower also tastes great with a lot of different sauces. Think about chutney, tzatziki, olive oil, and a squirt of lemon. Have fun with it. Thanks so much for joining us. For more tips and tricks, go to goodhousekeeping.com.